Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then that's what's up. Thank you so much. So today, as you can tell, I am going to be talking about aloe vera. So I saw a YouTuber on here by the name of Mercy Gono. I'm sure you know her, but she did an aloe vera detangler and oil treatment on her daughter's hair, and my daughter has really dry hair, so I thought that I would go ahead and give this a try for her hair. So aloe vera is one of the oldest plants known to provide many amazing benefits for skin health, weight loss, and much more. And I thought aloe vera would be a good thing to try because aloe vera keeps your hair really hydrated and moisturized, and my daughter has really dry hair. So there is a reason aloe vera is extensively used in beauty products, and it's because it has so many good benefits. The gel is made of around 96% water. It contains a lot of proteins, and it contains vitamin A, B, C, and E. So for the hair, aloe vera acts as a conditioner, and it leaves your hair really smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth, prevents your scalp from itching, and reduces dandruff. So that is just a few of the things that aloe vera does. And it also has the ability to attract and lock in moisture, which is why aloe vera is especially beneficial for dry and brittle hair. So as you can see, I have already washed my aloe vera leaves. I rinsed them off, and then I just cut the little spiny things off the edges, and I am just slicing the aloe vera in half now. And aloe vera, I had never worked with it before. This is my very first time, but it is super gooey. It is really just like a gel. So aloe vera, if you've never worked with it, is super slippery. Like, I was having the hardest time trying to scrape the gel out of the aloe vera or the aloe vera leaf. So it got to a certain point where just using the spoon was just really difficult for me. So I just switched to a butter knife, and the butter knife worked so much better for me. I was able to just slice that aloe vera out of there and get it all, because if you pay for it, you don't want to leave any of your gel behind. And by the way, I did get the aloe vera leaves from a local Hispanic store near me. The leaves were about $1.50 a piece, so it wasn't that bad. It's not expensive at all. So that's just the gel. That's how much aloe vera gel that I got from the one leaf right there. And now, I saw Mercy taking her hand, and she was kind of squeezing through the gel, getting all of the juice out. So that's just what I'm doing here. And actually, it was kind of relaxing just to keep squeezing your hand through that gel. But it must have looked fun to my daughter because she had to get in on the action and give it a try. She said it was slime. So we're both having a lot of fun playing in the aloe vera gel. And now I'm just going to strain the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes to try to just let all the juice of the gel come through. And next, just as she did, making her aloe vera oil, I'm just using extra virgin olive oil and some coconut oil that I had, and I'm just going to let it simmer. I'm going to let the leaves simmer in that oil. And I probably let it simmer for about probably about 6 or 7 minutes. So now all the juice has come out of the gel, and I didn't have a funnel, so I'm just using this measuring cup because it has a spout on it. So the spout is going to help me pour it into the bottle. And now I am just putting the oil in my container too. And I'm just going to throw the leaves away because I'm not going to use those for anything. But so far, this recipe is very easy to follow. So this is my daughter's hair, and as you can see, it's very dry. I'm going to start off by separating her hair into 4 different sections. That way it's easier for me to work with. And I'm going to start off by spraying the aloe vera in her hair. So the problem with this, and I'm not sure if this is how the gel was supposed to be or if I went wrong somewhere, but as you see, I have it in the spray bottle, but it's too thick for me to spray it. It didn't get as liquidy as I thought that it was going to get, so it was still a really thick jelly condition. So I ended up having to kind of pour it on her hair because it just would not come through the spray bottle. But I will say that it gave her hair a lot of slip. Once I put that aloe vera gel on her hair, like the brush just glided through her hair and it really made her curls clump. They just look so shiny and they just clumped. And I continued to do this for all 4 sections of her hair, and like I said, it just gave her hair a lot of slip. She did not fuss at all as I was combing through her hair. Ryan Little. And then I'm just going back through it with a comb just to make sure I got any tangles out, and just to make sure everything was really smooth. And after I get all the gel worked through her hair, I'm just going to wash her hair with that Cantu shampoo and conditioner. And this is her hair after all the gel has been completely removed and the shampoo and conditioner. And what I notice is that her hair just looks really moisturized. Her curls are really popping. And now I am applying the aloe vera oil. And the comb just glides through her hair. And her hair just looks so shiny and moisturized and healthy. So I am really happy with the way that it's looking. So you can see that she has very curly hair, tightly curly hair, and she just has so much shrinkage. So I'm just gonna kind of style her hair in a real simple hairstyle. What I will say about this oil is that it is super oily, and I mean, you might as well just let your soul glow. So if you use this, you'll want to be sure to use a pillow cloth that you don't mind messing up and sleeping in a bonnet. But her hair stayed really moisturized for days, which it usually needs moisturizing every day. But that brings us to the end of this video. Please go ahead and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.